Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel which is Analyst. Today we are going to see one of the easy questions from Geeks for Geeks platform. The title of the question is row with minimum number of ones. Before moving into that, if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. It motivates me to create a content like this. Okay guys, let's see what they are asking for. Given a 2D binary matrix, one based index, okay, a dimension of n cross m. Determine the row that contains a minimum number of ones, okay. The note is matrix contain only ones and zeros. Also, if two or more number of rows contains a minimum number of ones, the answer is the lowest of those index. Okay guys, I will explain much more clear way. They are given a matrix n cross m, which means the matrix can also possible of 5 row 6 columns, 3 rows 2 columns. Likewise, what we need to do is we need to find which row contains a minimum number of ones. For example, this row contains a 4 ones, this row contains a 2 ones. Okay, so while comparing those, the index of these rows is the minimum, right, while comparing to the first one. So what we need to do is we need to check which row is minimum. At the same time, we can see this row contains a one of two ones and this row contains a two ones. So that is a tie between these two. So at the time, what we need to do is we need to get the row which is a minimum index. As per the coding language, the first row contains a zero index, second row is a first one, and likewise 2 and 3. So we need to pick the index with minimum, right? So this one we need to pick it up. So the value is 2. The reason is there is a second row. If you are seeing an index manner, it is a first index. That's what they given output as 2. At the same time, if there is no one in all the values in the matrix, okay, at the time we just simply return a value of 1. This is what they're expecting. And the time complexity they have given to us is n cross m. We need to make a code which runs within this time. After that, the space complexity is order of 1. Okay guys, let's code for this. Starting itself, I'm going to create a index value in the default of 1, because if there is a no value comes means, which means like this scenario, if there is no ones in all the matrix, right? So at the time we need to return index of 1. After that, I'm going to have a minimum value variable. The minimum is, let's see, definitely this particular row, which means the row index is m, right? So at the time, what I'm saying is whatever the m value is the maximum of the particular row. For example, the m value is given as 4, right? This is the maximum of a particular row. Each and every row there is a no other values which is present greater than 1. Okay, so that is the reason we are taking a minimum value as m. After that, I'm going to create a for loop with a range of n, and I'm creating another variable row sum, and I'm going to sum each and every row using a inbuilt function of Python. For example, if I sum this row means it gives a value of 4. If I sum this row, it gives a value of 2. That's what I'm going to do over here. A of I. After that, I'm going to give a condition if row sum lesser than min value. What I'm doing over here is, for example, the row sum, what the value of row sum is, this is the value we are summing in each and every row, right? Right now it was 4, but at the same time our minimum value was also 4, so this condition won't be applicable at this time. After that, we are iterating the second row. This row sum will be as 2. Okay, at the time our minimum value is 4, so it will be come to this condition, and minimum value we are going to reassign it row sum. Our main agenda is we need to find the minimum number of n's present in a particular matrix. After that, we need to find the index. Index we already know, I is the index. but we need to return the row, which row we are considering for. For that, I'm adding +1. The reason is, likewise I said, even though it is the first index, the row is 2. That is the reason. And finally, I'm going to return index. Yes guys, this is a very simple code. That's it. I'm going to compile this run. Okay, the compilation was completed and I'm going to submit this. Yes guys, everything is correct. I'm going to leave this code in the description box. Please use it if you want. Okay guys, see you in the next challenge. Bye bye.